Hey everyone, this video is mostly about AWS Secret Management. So let's get into the video, guys. This video is about secret management. So, what is secret management? Secret management is the one of the most important service in AWS, which is useful for storing the secrets, guys. We cannot able to directly give the secrets with the value, so that they introduce a service called secret management in AWS. There are two different types of secret management there, guys. One is parameter store, other is secret manager. Also we have Hasicot Vault. Okay, these two parameter store and secret managers are managed by AWS, and this is completely external. Where we'll be using this for another use cases, guys. So let's see what is parameter store and secret manager. Parameter store first. So what is parameter store? We will be using this parameter store for storing the secrets. It is very easy to store the and retrieve the secrets, guys. Here we can store less sensitive secrets, guys, which is like if we are using a Docker, we can store Docker username and the registry URL like this. You can store the less sensitive secrets. What are the things that you are considering as a less secret? You can use this in the parameter store. In the same, we have secret manager. Then what is the use case of secret manager? Secret manager is useful for storing the high sensitive secrets. Storing high sensitive secrets, which is like passwords. Here you can see the store the high sensitive secrets like passwords, DB URL, or any other secrets that you are using in your application. We can store the high sensitive secrets in the secret manager. So we need to use this both the secret managers like secret manager and parameter stores to store the secret, guys. Accordingly, the secret manager will also help you with the another thing which is called password rotation. Here here you can rotate the password whenever the password get expired. Using the secret manager, you can be able to rotate the password, so it will be automatically fetched the latest password, guys. So this is the advantage of secret manager, which the parameter store does not have this advantage, guys. So having this advantage, secret manager is slightly higher than parameter store. Cost is slightly higher than parameter store, guys. So when you are using in your project, you need to use both the secret manager and parameter store. Using any one of the alone, which will cost our high amount, guys. So accordingly, you need to choose which one is best for your project. Okay. So the third is Hasicap Vault. Here, this Hasicap Vault is completely used for multi-cloud environment, guys. This is completely used for multi-cloud environment. This is completely an open source. So it is particular. This Hasicap Vault is completely for storing the secrets, and it is more encrypted. More encryption gives me more encryption for your secrets. So secrets, and it also is more encryption. because it is a open source. This is a community driven project, guys. So by comparing all this, Hasika part is highly secure because of the open source and the community that it has. So whenever you are using the secret manager and parameter store, you need to give a role to the service, which is like if you are using code pipeline or ECS in the under the environment variable section env, you will be using this ARN of the secrets. So for that, the ECS should be able to access the secret manager, guys. For this, you need to give a role in which that the role should have a policy called secret manager policy or parameter source, which is a systems manager policy. Using that policy, the ECS can able to fetch the passwords from the secret manager or parameter store, guys. So this is how you need to configure your services whenever you are using the secret manager and parameter store. So thanks for watching this video.